All right, back at your house, back at outside, Kyle all back outside, back now, Kakadash. Double honor to the elder apostle, Great Milton Ruwell. It's the day to the ark and put to the truth, across the four corners of the earth, to the fear of God, Yahweh, to outside of the hope of elect. If the world Italy called God's name Howard, if the world Italy calls Jesus Christ, then Yahweh try. So the Hebrew Israelite is considered to the so-called Negro, Latino, Native American Indian. This is my heart call for the Great Milton Los Angeles camp, back when I elected. All right, it was briefly there. Tornado, all right, that touched down in the LA area, all right, which is not, um, not really a common place for tornado to touch down, all right, in the LA area. All right, just another sign that, hey, the Lord is soon to come back, all right, because yeah, you have weather event always happen, but these happen or happening, all right, on a biblical proportions, all right, prophecy wise. Okay, so this is one of the instances. Okay, this was the article. Brief tornado touch it down near LA, damaging buildings and vehicles. NWS confirmed. All right, a brief tornado touched down Thursday morning in Southern California to the area of Carson and Compton. All right, this is their own city. And we're in the LA County. Okay, it damaged a vehicle and multiple buildings and toppling at least one large tree. Officials said. National Weather Service confirmed that a weak EF0 straight tornado at about 8:45 a.m. The degree of damage suggested that wind up to 75 miles per hour occurred. Tornado strength is measured by an enhanced F-scale rating from EF0 to EF5, which considers 28 different types of damage to structure and trees, and EF2 or higher is considered a significant tornado. Alright. Then we got the clip of it.
Holy
Alright, but not a major tornado.
I don't even know. Should I keep driving towards it? Keep driving towards it.
Very weak tornado, but
Oh
nevertheless.
my god, dude, look at that.
Alright.
I don't know if the camera can show it, but there's like a holy look at the it made. Back.
Okay. So much about that.
Is he coming back? Oh, it's car lines, isn't it? Oh, look at the line. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, there's a
Article.
oh.
Isaiah 29:6, thou shalt be visited of the Lord, Yahweh thou shalt of hosts, with thunder and with great earthquakes, and great noise, with storm and tempest. Alright, storm could be tornadoes, alright? And tempest and the flames of devouring fire. See? So that's how the Lord is visiting the place, okay? Show y'all the scripture. Alright, because, what you call it? The people think Mother Nature and stuff. No, it's the Lord that's doing this. Alright? Oh, here it is. Nathan 1 and 3, the Lord Yahweh shall is slow to anger and great in power and will not at all acquit the wicked. All right, what's Esau evil? Okay. The Lord Yahweh shall, this the part right here, has his way in the whirlwind and in the storm and the cloud or the dust of his feet. The act of the Lord that's doing this, that's bringing it. Okay? Not Mother Nature, not no, it's the Lord Yahweh Shai bringing it. Alright? So I'll make this video short. Ain't no need to make it too long. Alright, short and sweet. Okay. It's turning a little tornado that touched down in LA. But like I said, tornado, it's not very common on the West Coast, alright, especially in California. So this is very rare. But all to the show that, hey, the Lord's been in this place. Alright, so with that, I'm going to take y'all along.